actually don't know if you could hear that actually, but Love Me Like This, NMIXX. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Oh, they took a nappy naps. You know, a good nap does feel good. Oh, picture ready. Okay. How you gonna just wake up like this? Love me like this, like this. She woke up like, okay.
Love me like this, love me like that, love me like this, and I love it right back.
Ooh, super upbeat. Oh, this kind of reminds me of something off the bat. Yeah. Okay, we got ice cream melting in the. What is happening, bro? Who has fur in there? Yo, this is mildew. Hey, you need to check your refrigerator or whatever's in there. That's mildew growing. That, you know, you ever had like mildewy stuff, like you leave something in the fridge and they have hair that it took over, girl. I don't know, unless that's cotton candy. You have beans in your fridge? I'm sorry, this has nothing to do with the music or music video. I'm just looking. You got cottage cheese, refried beans, and pink lemonade. You got ice cream. You got candy. You got mustard and ketchup. Just out here. Not do y'all refrigerate your mustard and ketchup, or is it just me? I feel like I'm the only. Am I the only one? You need to hire some cleaners. Oh, that was the Wizard of Oz Tin Man thing. Ooh, different sound. Very upbeat, but now to like some R&B. Love that. Lily's voice is fire though. Every time she sings, I listen. Ah, I see how they broke it down. Love me like this, love me like that. Oh, that was a move. Oh, this looks a lot more fun. Like, not like the other stuff weren't fun, but it's just like I can see a lot of people just bump into this. It reminds me of a Wonder Girl song for some reason. Obviously, JYP. I forgot what it was. I have to. Okay, Miss May. Oh, look at the little doggy. Where'd he go? Oh, is it reference to Wizard of Oz? Kinda ish, or like fairy tale? Like the little lion or cause I saw the Tin Man flowering pot. Oh, this might be one of my favorite NMIXX songs actually. Okay, Miss Ma'am. I wonder how people are gonna take this song. I actually like this song because. Okay, Miss Ma'am. Actually, I'll tell my thoughts afterwards. But I couldn't mess with this. Okay. Oh, she tatted up now? Let's go, Lily. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Hey. Oh, I really like this song. I don't know. Maybe I'm just I don't know. Ooh. Maybe people will think it's like too repetitive, but I kind of mess with it. You know, it does remind me of like an actual, like, you know those Disney songs, not like, you know, like from movies, but they're actually good. Not the bad ones, the good ones. That's what it reminds me of. But it reminds me of Wonder Girls actually. I think it's because it was just upbeat, just like it as well. I gotta look it up. Hold up. And it's not a bad thing because I actually like that song too. Oh, go subscribe to Dre Day if you haven't already. Wonder Girl, it was like this. Wonder Girls like this. That's what it reminds me of. like this. I think it's just because it's just very upbeat, just like it too. Do you know what I'm talking about? It doesn't sound like it at all, but just like the upbeat. Hey, I actually don't know how NMIXX fans will think of this, or how people would think of this, just because, you know, their first debut song was like so out of the ordinary. But I like this vibe right here. This seems like a really fun song, like a fun dance as well, actually. I can see a lot of people doing this. Like at random dance plays, I can already see it. A random dance, yeah, random dance play. I don't know, it makes you get up. It kind of makes you want to just get up and...
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.